I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't ever lie.
Back to another video. Today is Chandrat. We had a month of Ramadan and today was the last day. What Ramadan is that we fast for 30 days from sunrise to sundown. And so I'm getting ready, and my sister-in-law put me to putting facials and stuff, and I just got a cut. But I ate a lot of junk food during the nights, and whoa, that's bad. And I have a pimple here, a couple here, oh my god. But I'm about to put a mask, so I just did like 2 facials. Oh my god. So it's like really cold that it's freaking burning. Hey niece. Oh, I don't want to scare her. Okay, this shit's actually like really burning my skin. And I just shaved. I don't know if it's healthy. I'm just holding my hair up. Alright, so I think around 9 is like our prayer that we have to go to. I have to wear like, I don't have to, but I'm gonna wear religious clothes to that. It's almost 2 a.m. My skin got a little better, smoother too. Good night for now. Hey guys, so I got all ready. I'm about to go pray. Hey y'all, what's up? So I just wore a little vest on top. It looks pretty wet. And then this is a religious cap we wear. We're with Ben Lamine, with my boy. It's my cousin, and yeah. So we just finished. Y'all didn't meet him before, but this is my boy Uzi. But we're about to go feast, and we gotta get in line. It takes a while, so see y'all. Who gave this kid a cut? No. Yourself? That's bad. I'm kidding. You all right? Eat slower. Get some water here. Why are you eating too much? Eat slow. I'm trying to find a place where I could take some bomb-ass pictures. My little cousin's gonna take them because there's no one else. Oh, ooh, the lighting. Gang. But yeah, we just took some pictures. I'll put them up here so you guys can see. Follow my Instagram, FAIZAN 5050. I get paid at 3, and I have no money on me right now, so I'm trying to find another place where I could take some wet pictures. But we just got Dutch. Have you gotten Dutch before?
Oh, yeah, long time.
Is it good? I'm obsessed with the song. You guys gotta go listen to it. It's called Shooter by Playboi Carti and Lil Uzi. They're like, honestly, they're the best duos. Hit 'em up, girls. Single. No, I'm kidding. Are you single though? No. I just pulled up at my boy's Hanan's crib. You feel? Trying to find out what's the move. Got my tripod out. Tripod out. But look at all the girls he's texting. Oh, he turned it off. Oh my god. But I still haven't gotten my car fixed. The insurance is lagging so much. We just took some more pictures. I got him in. He changed his shirt just to take more pictures. But it cost my ass, nigga. Shit. Like, check out his fit. Like, you already know he got that polo, the pants, and then what the fuck are those, bro? What are those? But yeah, he loves that iPhone X quality, you feel? Yo, oh, shoot, my glass. Okay, thank you, bro. But shout out to Lil Uzi, bro. He's been taking pictures of us. Thanks, bro. I'll give you a shout out. You have a YouTube channel? You used to, huh? We got Savon. So he kind of messed up with his cut. I'll put a picture. I'll put a picture of how he looked. And now he looks like a thumb. Tell me he does it.
Bro, I'm wavy, alright?
There we go. Hey, cop a new whip. No, I'm kidding. My boys Hussies got the red bottoms. You feel?
These is bloody shoes.
Oh shit, I just noticed. Your shoes low key, like, if it was light blue, bruh, but imagine.
Kinda ruined. Everybody give it a follow on Instagram.
Oh, kinda ruined. I couldn't even read it.
You know, because I kind of ruined the car.
Oh shit. You did ruin the car from the inside. That shit looks wet, the red. The speakers. Ooh. Wait, what's this for?
That's the NOS tank to go super fast. If you beat me in a race, I'm just gonna explode it, and then you know, no more me and no more you.
Are you gonna sell it soon or what?
Hell no.
You're not? I was trying to buy it. How much would you sell it for if you did?
20,000.
20?
Cash.
Cash?
Don't take card.
I was gonna get it on credit though. Demon ID. We got this other car. Friday we have a prayer. So it's a coincidence that like Eid fell on Friday. Y'all like my cousin's car? Oh, that shit's wet. We gotta switch things up, you know? We gotta get Hanan driving now because he's always wasting my gas.
Play with some YG, please, bro.
What is this?
Funny, I ain't smoked the niggas a century.
Bro, I don't support Kanye, bro.
Hey, play that shit, bro. Kanye the GOAT.
Being GOAT is a choice. Aight? You could be a GOAT too.
No.
Aight, for sure.
You've chosen to be.
But honestly, like, I don't like it. I'm gonna go change the third time. Third? Second up for the last time you dig. So I changed up. We about to go to, I don't know where. Let's see where the world takes us. I want to get jalapeno poppers from Carlos Jr. where he works. He might plug it or not. And then I gotta go pick up my paycheck. Blood, bro.
And do you work tomorrow?
Yeah.
You work tomorrow?
Yeah.
Water.
Do you?
Who works in the morning?
Could I get
Who
a
works
water
in the
cup?
morning? We need water cups.
Sorry.
But economy, huh? You gotta eat, bro. Okay, thank you. Bye. What name? Game money? No. Not too many games. Never.
No gambling.
But you have to pay for to be sure. Okay, bye. Just थोड़ी देर बची. उन्हीं फैज़ान ने लेना वाले पे आके ताज़ा ले लो.
Oh my god, you talk hella weird, bro.
Bro, that's
construction, but it's gonna look hella nice when it's over. Just picked up the check, but we collect in the bag, more like paper, but you feel it? Is it good? I never had the cookies here. So we go into Sky Zone. It's a trampoline park. I wanted to wear shorts, but I guess not. So we're gonna be jumping in pants, looking like dumbasses. Right, it could be hella packed. Friday and it's summer. I mean,
Bro, driving on the freeway was so easy.
nigga, there was so much traffic.
From right here, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you see?
This fucking idiot, bruh.
You can't turn right there.
You're dumbass from right here.
Yes.
Oh man.
Who would tell you to turn where you
That's
can't
why
even
I
turn?
drive everywhere.
Shut up.
But there was so much traffic on the freaking freeway. Me and him just went slam. And this nigga was driving.
Where now?
Home from here.
Okay,
Here.
keep on going.
I'll put the clip in. He recorded it.
At the top of the food chain, trapping the cocaine, no game, shoot with no name, loop at toe games, the whole game, giving you no man.
For sauces, you feel? Oh my god, you're trash. Oh, you guys are trash.
Look at this dude.
Look at the dude. Bruh. Here, I'll go on this one.
You can't even make it on that one. How you gonna do on this one? Alright, watch out. Let me see the ball. I'm gonna shoot with it. Here, hold
Well, I
it.
can't make shit.
Watch it. Jump shot first. Jump
Watch
shot.
out for them. You're trash.
I got it with this. That one's too small.
Alright.
Watch this. Oh, shit's almost weird. I can make it.
Trash. Oh shit! I messed up.
Can't lose my keys in here, huh?
There's barely any people. They're playing one-on-one in dodgeball. Bro, throw it. Why are you waiting? And get out. I heard that. I swear I heard that. Your ass. You're gonna hurt yourself like that. Hurry up! What was that, bruh? Yes. Just get him one time, bro, so I could hop in.
I don't even know where he's at. I'm a real one.
If he catches it, you're out. Oh yeah, no. You're so bad. Just let me hop in, bro. Oh, yeet. Bro, I want to learn how to backflip. What the heck? Oh, you're out. You're out.
He's going for the ball. He's chilling back. You can't be on that. You can't be on that now. All right, is he going to get him? Oh, first try, too. Sit down.
Sit down. Go.
Alright, so he finna get it. I'll try to commentate this. He's just staring at this ugly boy. Look at the dude, look at the dude. Look at that dude. This is the loser's bracket.
That wasn't.
That was face. What happened? How are you gonna put it?
Tell a hot.
Record this.
He's gonna get it. He's just chilling back there. Both of these kids. Oh!
Get your ass.
Oh!
You gotta show him daddy.
You act like you juke my throw. One. I'm hella sweaty though. I told this guy, drop me off so I could get my shorts. No, it's gonna be alright. It's alright? No, it's not. How is it? It's way different than freaking Carl's Jr. shakes. That's all I drink. Joke!
That's why I don't want to go on the 12. One.
Oh yeah, gang.
4 times. So 2 to 4, be out there. If you're not out there, if you're hoping, you know, that you don't have a certain tickets. Honest to God, because this has been the worst day of my entire radio career. I'm not happy about any of this, but
Oh, my hands.
tell me not to do a show. Because one
Oh, right there, right? Hold that bull.
On the top, bro. Oh yeah, gang. Oh no. Oh no.
Quick,
Oh, yeah.
McDonald's trip or not?
Pop.
It's on the way.
I had to get one.
Watch
Oh,
this. Go watch when I get back on. I don't know if you can
it
tell.
knows you're fat, bro. He's saying you're
It
fat.
can hold you, then it can hold.
Oh my god. Here, you wanna try this?
Yeah, let me get the last 5 seconds.
Well, where we going? Hey, let's go to the mall.
Yeah.
What? We got all this time. We came out here to Galleria. First Urban Outfitters, you dig.
You can't even see out.
I You see it? You see it?
Yeah, feel me?
Yeah, feel me?
Let's see.
I need to cop some new clothes, bro. I need some pants, jeans, or something. Damn, the lighting. I don't know if it's focused though. The lighting, bro. Face this way. Ooh,
What's in my eye?
it's wet. Look at the lighting. Look. It's raw, huh? I can't even open my eyes, bro.
You can take one right here, bro.
Oh, bro, I want a fanny pack, but like, a
You
nice
need to get a Gucci one.
Gucci one. They don't have Gucci here though, huh?
They have a Louis here.
What? Louis?
And they have Burberry.
Yo, I want those black. What?
Is that how you wear it?
Oh, flexing Hanan. Shit.
Bro, we get it.
We get it. You got.
We get it. You Faison Creations in this
I forgot that scratches you, bro.
Creations in it.
Bro, they're lucky to have me in this building, bro.
So my second whip, bruh, I'm telling you. I thought it was your car, bro.
That's red car.
No, in a couple years, bet I'll have this car.
48. You want to go in there?
Oh shit, my watch!
Hey, you barely got me.
I barely got you. Look at your shirt. I'm kidding. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
my hands. Anon, smile sometime, bruh. You show no emotion like Safi said, bro. He's always hurt. He thinks just because he got
hurt you.
Nigga, I'm from P.T. What's up, nigga? P.T. What block?
If she looks,
400 explosive tree. What y'all know? Nigga, kill off me.
I'm gonna race us. Watch.
Bitch, who you love? I got a shorty named Texas. She got a brand
Go! Bro! Oh my god, nigga, you gotta go. You gotta freaking go, bro.
in the game. The man shot my nigga game. He just rolled through. He be crying about who and no bulls. A lot of fools putting salt in the game until these women get the notion that they running the game.
Bro, she's right there, bro.
Oh, she done
The
switched.
model took a flight to the Golden State. I'm a gentleman, just making sure my soul straight. Had to leave my nigga homie, got an open case.
Let me drive.
But I'm big on the west, like I'm
drive.
big on the south. So we gon' pay some people off, we gon' figure it out. And my name too big, and my gang too big.
Why'd you take a look?
Crying in the corner, in the sorta, kinda dissing niggas. I'm
want a cookie now?
came out here to drink. I came out here to
Edit this, bro.
We got my
You have like 90 snippets.
So tired.
We're waiting for our food. I think it's gonna take forever. Oh my god. We got quesadillas. We got wings. We got a combo. We got a gyro with the tomato.
I guess I get what I deserved on her. Talk down on my name, throw dirt on her. I couldn't tell you how old your daughter was. Couldn't tell you how.
Time to say bye. Oh man, no, oh my god, you can't drive, bro. You just went up the curve, bro. So I learned today this guy can't drive for shit.
You better not put that shit in.
Huh? He can't drive? He messed up so many times.
He's not bad. He's really not that bad.
It's pretty bad, nigga. He just went over the curve. I'ma end it here. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment of what y'all want to watch, post notifications on.
Come on.
And yeah, later.